everyone, Stephanie here, and I have an unboxing today. This is the Walmart baby box. How this works is they make 3 baby boxes. They make one for prenatal when you're pregnant. They make one for right when you have a newborn. And then they make one, I think, when your babe is a year old maybe, or 6 months. See, I can't remember if it's a year old or if it's like when they start eating, but there's 3 of them. And you just pay shipping. It's free, but it's $5 shipping for each box, and they'll just send it based on your due date. And yeah, so this is the Walmart baby box. This is the prenatal one. It says powered by brandshare.us. Comes like this. It had plastic on it. I just took the plastic off. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. It says special delivery at Walmart. We're here to help you every little step of the way. Visit us at walmart.com/baby for more great products. Okie dokie. First thing in here is a 4-ounce Avent Phillips natural bottle. These are the bottles we loved for Lulu. This is mostly what she used, and this is the size she used. Pretty sure this is probably a size 1 nipple, which is a little bit more of a slow flow, and that's perfect. It's honestly the slow flow. The size 1 is what she used pretty much until even today. Okay, what's this? Oil Logic Essential Oil Care for Babies and Toddlers. This is stuffy nose and cough, orange oil, lavender oil, fir needle oil, eucalyptus oil, and cypress oil for stuffy nose and cough. Naturally soothes cough and stuffy nose with a blend of pure essentials. Apply a generous amount to the back of your child's neck and to the bottom of your child's feet for body to absorb. So this is like a vapor rub kind of thing. We did not use this. It looks like this is just a tiny little sample that you just go and then rub it on, but it looks like it's normally in the full size is like a little roller ball in it. So that's interesting. Never heard of this brand, never seen this product before, but that seems great, and it's nice little sample size for the babe. Oh, this is for mom for sure during pregnancy. This is Chewy Bites Mixed Berry Tums sample. And I don't really think these Chewy Bites ones work as well as there's like kind of smoothies. And then I'm gestational diabetes, so I have to go the sugar-free route. So I'm using the sugar-free Tums. Highly recommend if you are gestational diabetes. But this is a nice little sample size maybe for after the baby to throw in the diaper bag. Hashtag Walmart Baby Box. Visit babybox.walmart.com, sponsored by Huggies. Find everything your little one needs at Walmart. Free 2-day shipping. Introducing in-store pickup discount. A small sample size of Decidin, which is diaper ointment, which it has its maximum strength zinc oxide diaper rash paste. The only thing about this Decidin is Decidin has a very distinct smell, and my mom used it a lot on me as a child, so the smell kind of wigs me out a little. It makes me kind of nauseous, but they do make a scent-free version, a fragrance-free version, which does not have that scent. Which works really well, and I do recommend. We use that, and we also use the Burt's Bees, and those both have a really high concentration of zinc oxide. This says it's 40%, which is I think the same as the other Decidin and the Burt's Bees that we use. Here's a tip-to-toe Dove baby wash. We got some of this, I think it's either in the Amazon box or the Target gift bag. All free and clear sample laundry detergent, you know, for washing your little one's clothes before you know whether or not they have allergies. So that's great. That's just like for a single load, I think. Yeah, one load. Then we also have a small thing of Huggies Natural Care wipes for sensitive skin, and there's 8 of those. These are great. I love these little packs of wipes. They're perfect to go in your diaper bag. What else? Still going. A tiny sample of Aquaphor, and it has a coupon on the back for $1.50 off Aquaphor. Then we have a small Infamil NeuroPro formula for 0 to 12 months, non-GMO. Let's see, I assume this is, yeah, just a single serve packet for a 4-ounce bottle. That's easier to store than, I think Infamil is one of those where they'll send you a whole bunch of free formula for a couple months, and they send like these big things, which is great and super nice. Actually, I think it might be Similac that does it. It may not be Infamil, but anywho, they're hard to store. So especially if you are planning on nursing, then that's a way easier size if you just want for a backup. Frozen kids meals with hidden veggies. Kid Fresh, buy one, get one free. Mac and cheese or chicken nuggets. I've never seen this brand before, but it says available at Walmart. There's not really a Walmart by me because I live in Los Angeles and there's very few Walmarts here. 1 free Gerber Pure purified water, 1 gallon or 3-liter bottle. Oh, so that's great. Just water. This is just like, hey, come in and use this and get a free thing of water. Now, does my baby really need their own gallon or 3-liter bottle of water? I mean, we have a really good zero water filter, which is supposed to be the best, but you know, for the earthquake kit or whatever, to have just an extra bottle around, sure. And then we have Dapple, which to each their own. Baby friendly cleaners for home and away. Pure and clean bottle and dishes. Eliminates milk, film, and odor. A sample size of Dapple. And then $1 off Dapple coupon on the back. When I said to each their own, when I was pregnant with Lulu, I got every like Dapple product that existed, and they are not cheap. They start around $15 and go up to like, I don't know, $30 per product. I got every kind of wipe, spray, stain remover, everything Dapple, because my mom was like, oh, Dapple is the best. And honestly, I didn't really care for Dapple and I didn't think it was necessary, but I will still take this sample, the Pure and Clean bottle and dishes. Honestly, I never had a special milk film cleanser, so maybe that'd be better. The other thing I really did like from Dapple was Dapple has these little pacifier wipes. They're little individually packaged, like a wet wipe, but they're just for pacifiers. You can keep those in your diaper bag if your babe throws their pacifier on the ground anywhere in public or outside. Those are great for just wiping off, and they're food safe and sanitize the pacifier. Anywho, so that was the Walmart baby box for pregnancy. It was $5 shipping, but it was free otherwise. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. And it is a subscription service, so they will send you 2 more. But again, they're free. You just pay the $5 shipping, and that's it. So that was it. Is there a baby box that you got that you feel like we should check out? Or did you get this and you got different things? Let us know. Tell me what was in your Walmart baby box below. And I will see you next time. Bye.